Bottom is probably, he's probably taking like this much off the bottom. You gonna go? You trace it. Oh, Manteca? But they're flying off the street, right? Come on in, come on in. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. All right, take it off.
China clear. Gear up, flaps up.
Hit my head. Taxing out! What the hell's that guy doing?
Before, you're leaving? All right, I'll see you before you go up. I'm going downwind. Go!
The yak is alive.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
There you are. Just as it gets perfect, at least. Let's go.
High rates on that other thing. I don't think I have any extra on my high rate. Go on, split us. Oh shit. Whoa. My bad, Ray.
You're good. I saw you the whole time. You got to give yourself a little more time before you call something out because you don't know what other people are doing. All right, I'm doing a low pass. I saw you the whole time.
I can't see you burning in the cloud. Pulling up.
Okay, I'm doing a low pass from the right. Yeah, it kind of blends in if you're not paying attention.
Alright, pass from the right, from the left.
I'm gonna follow you.
I'm doing split S.
Go. I'll be behind you.
Go, 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 go. Alright. Whoa, I just learned a new trick. Alright, I'm going up and doing that again. Oh, the flat thing.
Yeah, be careful. Don't get stuck in it.
Whoa, I almost got stuck in
See what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Okay, downwind.
I'm not doing that again. I'm scared. Alright, pass from the right. I want to put a 33.
What's in it now? 4,000? 4,000's perfect.
Well, the way I see how it like, when he flew it out of was, it was amazing. It was so fast. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Ah, almost.
Nine,
I was thinking about putting lights in here, but there's not enough.
Not enough room, no.
5, 4, 3, 2, down. Take off.
Okay, I'm landing.
Alright, mind if I land with you? Behind you?
Give me some room. You gotta space it out a little bit. I'll roll out to the end. Come on in though. Come in. But just we always gotta space out unless we're used to doing it. I see you. Hold your line. You're good.
Perfect. Woohoo! That was good. I kind of high off.
Most important thing is when we're both landing together, hold your line.
Hold your line, got it. So don't move, right?
Right.
I could not get out of that flat spin.
That's why you gotta be careful.
But it can do it in real life though, right?
You don't want to do more than 3. Cool.
But what I did was I went like this. Boom.
Yeah.
And then it just went.
Yeah, that's like almost like an inverted snap.
But what I originally thought was if you go like that and then that's how you
That's
flat
2.
spin. That's 2?